Today we've got some interesting stories to explore, from updates on Apple's iPhone SE 4, Microsoft's new Copilot features, and Google's AI push for Chromebooks, amongst others. Let's dive right in. Apple is gearing up to launch the iPhone SE 4 and an upgraded iPad Air in early 2025. The iPhone SE series has been a fan favorite for offering flagship performance at a lower price. The SE 4 is rumored to come with Face ID, an OLED screen, and 5G capabilities. For consumers, this means access to premium Apple features at a budget-friendly price, which could make waves in emerging markets. Apple's move reaffirms its strategy to dominate both the high-end and mid-tier smartphone market. Speaking of tech giants, Microsoft is making waves with its new AI-powered Copilot. Microsoft has revealed a major upgrade to its Copilot AI, which now includes voice assistance and deeper integration with Microsoft 365. This move will likely enhance productivity for users by making complex tasks simpler through voice commands. For businesses and workers, this marks a shift towards more intuitive computing, potentially boosting efficiency. This also signals a growing emphasis on AI-driven productivity tools, with Microsoft positioning itself as a leader in the AI workspace. As AI becomes more integral, Google is also stepping up its game. Google is rolling out AI enhancements for Chromebooks, including a new Magic button to streamline tasks. These new features are designed to improve both user experience and educational applications. This new addition is a win for consumers, especially students and teachers. These AI features could transform the classroom experience, making learning more interactive. From a tech perspective, Google is continuing to push the boundaries of affordable computing with AI at the forefront. On the legal front, Amazon just scored a partial victory. Amazon has won a partial dismissal in the FTC's antitrust lawsuit, which accused the retail giant of monopolistic practices. The lawsuit isn't over, but this victory allows Amazon to breathe a bit easier, as the court dismissed claims relating to third-party sellers. This means continued access to Amazon's marketplace without significant changes for now. Meanwhile, in the gaming sector, Epic Games is expanding its universe. Epic Games is set to launch everywhere, a new feature in Unreal Engine aimed at streamlining game development for multiple platforms. This could empower developers to release games on various devices without hefty costs. Gamers can expect more cross-platform releases, while developers, especially indie studios, stand to benefit from lower royalty fees. This marks a significant step towards more open and accessible game development. From gaming to drone deliveries, robots are flying into the future. Serve Robotics has partnered with Alphabet's drone unit for a pilot program in Texas to test drone deliveries. This initiative could drastically change how packages are delivered, making it faster and more efficient, especially in urban settings. If proven successful, it promises quicker deliveries with lower environmental impact. From a tech perspective, this partnership underscores the growing role of robotics and AI in everyday logistics. As automation accelerates, AI-powered voice assistants are evolving too. OpenAI has launched new tools to help developers fast-track the creation of AI voice assistants. This move makes it easier for companies to create personalized AI experiences for their customers. For consumers, it means more sophisticated and intuitive interactions with devices. This also marks another milestone in AI's rapid advancement, signaling an even greater presence of voice-controlled technology in our lives. That's all on today's episode. Do join us on Friday for another packed episode. Thank you for watching.